Welcome back. Now in this video, we are going to work with the image menu and we're going to go to the tools menu. When we go to the tools menu, we're going to then look at the shape element. You're going to notice then that that gives us styles to work with. That means then each one of these styles can be operated with the tool properties. If we pick the style that we want and we work with the properties, what we can do is we can then draw that style here in this area, and then we have access to work with this style in whatever way we want to use it. For example, if we decide that what we want to do is we want it to be filled, we can do that, and then we can draw our shape on our canvas. And we'll have the shape in here as we specify it inside of the style area. We're now going to delete this shape. We're going to go back to our image menu. We're then going to the tools menu. We're now going to pick our stamps. And what you're going to notice in the stamps menu is that you have a search area. And basically what you want to do is you want to write in the theme of what you may be looking for. And so what we're going to do is we're going to write in what we're looking for. We're going to write in the word computer. And then you'll see the search elements there. We're going to select one of the stamps. We're then going to draw our stamp inside of our screen. We can click on the screen and we can size it up. And so the stamps allow you to place theme-related content on your screenshot. Demonstrating this again, we're going to write in the word office. And you're going to see an icon for office come up. We're going to click on that office. And because we had the area highlighted, you'll notice then that the image changes to the office. And so now we have worked with both the stamp as well as the shape tool. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.